BAFANG BBS03 HD 1000-watt kit offers remarkable compatibility, fitting bottom brackets measuring 68 to 73 millimeters in length and 34 to 36 millimeters in internal diameter. With its powerful 800-watt motor, the BAFANG G320 electric bike conversion kit delivers a maximum torque of 160 Newton-meters and allows you to reach speeds up to 55 kilometers per hour. Converting your bike to an electric bike is straightforward with the BAFANG BBS03 HD 1000-watt kit, thanks to the provided installation instructions and videos. The kit includes a comprehensive set of components such as a 1000-watt mid-drive motor, a display, a chainring, a speed sensor, brake levers, cranks, a 1T4E bus cable, a thumb throttle, and lock nuts. BAFANG offers fast and professional customer service, ensuring prompt communication and outstanding technical support from their North American team. If you order the motor without a battery, BAFANG defaults to sending a 52-volt motor, but you can request a 48-volt motor by providing your order ID.